again. It's a redskin.
So guys, we're gonna make a short video. We're just gonna review these Acura TLs. I got two of them. One is for sale, probably gonna be this one. And then we got, basically I have two of them. They are verified, and dude, when I found out they even existed, I just haven't. I got two of them now. I don't want to go through the backstory of it. But anyways, here it is. This is an Acura TL muscle machine, and we're gonna do just close-up videos, shots of it, if anything, and then yeah, we'll just basically that will just be the video. By the time this is up, most likely this one's gonna be sold, so don't even ask. You'll probably just follow me on Instagram. If you guys comment on the below if you want to buy it, if you're too late, you got to follow me on Instagram in order to get any of these deals. But yeah, so let's throw some close-up shots of these and get into it. Yeah, I'll throw some photos of this that I can take, some good ones, some close-up ones because the camera can't pick up everything. And yeah, hopefully you like this video. This is a real cool item, and now this is mine.